Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are watching for the first time, my name is Aubrey and I'm so glad everyone's here today. Today's Thursday. I mean, it's one day away from Friday, so that's exciting. How has everyone's week been so far? Anyone have plans this weekend? I mean, what do I have going on this weekend? I don't think I have anything going on this weekend, which is kind of nice because I'm so far behind on laundry and meal prep and cleaning my house. With this new schedule, it's been just really hard to adjust. And so that's what I'll be doing this weekend. Comment down below what your plans are, or if you can relate to what I'm doing this weekend, which is pretty much nothing. But sometimes that's the best, you know what I mean? Sometimes that's the best. Anyway, I'm excited for today's video because I finally got a FabFitFun Box. And I'm so excited to open it and see all the goodies inside. I know that I picked out a few. And so I remember those that I picked out, but then I can't remember all that came in this. So I'm pretty excited because I haven't opened it yet. I've been waiting to film this so that you guys could see me open it. But I'm really excited. Again, I think I've said that like 5 times. Anyway, if you want to see what's in my FabFitFun box with me, then make sure you keep watching. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. But without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing of FabFitFun. Well, let's begin. The first thing I love about this box, before I even open it, is the actual box. I mean, how cute is it? It's just so festive and I love the colors. I mean, I got it and I was like, oh, I can't wait. It's so cute. I love the box. I mean, it's a box, so they already nailed it on the aesthetic. And so now let's open it. I already cut up the tape open, so I didn't have to do that on camera, but I still haven't opened it. So when you first open it, oh my gosh. Look, there's even more festive colors going on. Look how cute that is. Seriously, they're nailing it. I love it so much. I just want to keep the box. I mean, I don't know what I would actually use it for, but I want to keep it. Okay. So on the very top, there's like, I guess some coupons or whatever. So this is, share the love of FabFitFun, pass this card and your friend will get $10 off their first box. Oh, nice. So, nice little coupon, I don't know. There's another one for HelloFresh. I've been wanting to try HelloFresh probably as long as I've been wanting to get a FabFitFun box. So I actually might do it because I mean, I might as well just try it once. If I hate it, I'll never do it again, but I don't want to keep wondering. But this is a $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 boxes, and free shipping. Oh, heck yeah. I'm about to get some HelloFresh up in here. This is Life's Richer with Rika. Enjoy $3 off 1 box of Luna bars on Amazon. Oh, nice. I kind of like Luna bars. They just have a lot of carbs. I mean, it's not like I'm carb free. I eat carbs all the time. But then when I start trying to act healthy, I'm like, oh, carbs. And then, oh, how sad. Yeah, that's sad. Then there's just a little cute FabFitFun catalog with Christina Applegate on there. I think she's so pretty. Okay, so then there's this tissue paper lining and there's this cute little leaf sticker that says share to win, hashtag FabFitFun. So I'm going to remove that so I can behold all that's inside. Ooh, guys, I'm so excited. Do you see all that? This was $40. I mean, come on. I don't know what I was waiting for. So the biggest reason I got it this time is because of this. Beauty blender. The honest truth about beauty blenders is I've tried many sponges and they are the best. However, they're expensive and I just can't justify spending $20 on them every time I need one. And so it kind of is a double-edged sword. But this whole box was $40, and so for this being $20 alone, that's half of what this is all worth for the box, you know what I mean? So it's like a no-brainer. I really need a new beauty blender because mine's on the fritz. So I'm really excited for this. And it's a light pink one and I just think it's so cute. Yay. Okay, so then let's just get into it. So I didn't know this was gonna be in here, but this is a salted caramel nut Luna Rica. I'm actually gonna eat that today. That looks so tasty. So then there's also, this is called Skin & Co. Roma Blue and Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. I'm not a big fan of like, okay, let me reword that. I'm a fan of shower gel because I use it. But I have a very specific one I use, so I don't know if I'll actually use this or gift it. And let's see, there's our, oh, and there's a thing, so I don't want to smell it because I want to give it away probably, so I don't want to open it. But it looks pretty. Okay, the next thing that I was excited for when I was ordering the box were these Glam Glow bubble sheets. And there's 2 of them, so that's really nice. I don't know what they're valued at, but I know Glam Glow is not cheap. But these are bubble sheets, oxygenating deep cleanse mask sheets. So there's 1 mask in each package, and it's kind of cool. I love masks in general, and I love Glam Glow, but again, they're just way too expensive to just have all their masks. So that's nice. Okay, I also got, which I'm really excited about, they didn't give you a choice to pick what like full skincare product you wanted, or full-size skincare product you wanted. But I knew I was gonna get one of like 3 different options, so I didn't care because I wanted to try any of them. This is by Grown Alchemist, and we'll start out what it looks like in that box. It's just in a white box. And it's Hydro Repair Day Cream, Camellia Geranium Blossom. And this is a 2.19 fluid ounce size day cream. But I like it because it's in this really cool tube. And I just think it looks cool. But I was reading some reviews after I was looking at the option or the possibilities of what would be my box. And I read some really great reviews about that, so I'm excited to try it. And I'm almost out of moisturizer, so it's a win-win. Alright, the next thing in here is called Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo by Touch and Soul. So this is what shade? This is called Penny, or the shade is Penny, so as you can imagine, it looks like a penny. I'm not big on metallic lip sticks, or even like I don't really like matte lipsticks either, just because my lips get so dry. I'm actually going to the dermatologist next week to get that all figured out because it's been a real pain in the butt. So this also might be something I give away or gift to someone else because I just can't see myself using it. Okay, the next thing in here are some really cute towels, like kitchen towels. They're by a company called Simply Whimsical. I like them because they're gray and white, so they would really go with a lot of different decor or like color schemes in someone's house. I have tons of kitchen towels because I found like the perfect ones for my house, so I don't see myself keeping these either. But they're cute. They're like they have like a chevron pattern that kind of go all different which ways. But yeah, really nice. Really, really nice. The next thing in here that I'm really excited about is this umbrella. I don't know what it is. I haven't had an umbrella forever, and I feel like I really need one this year because last year it rained a lot and I just wasn't about it, and I never went out and bought an umbrella because by the time I was like, I need an umbrella, it wasn't raining anymore. So whatever. So I'm excited. I'm not going to open this because it's bad luck to open umbrellas in the house, but Catherine Malandrino is the designer of this umbrella, and it's white and it has a cute little black pattern. Oh, they're not polka dots, but they're kind of like squiggly dots. So I'm really excited about that. That's gonna go in my car for a rainy day. All right, almost done, guys. The next thing in the box that I'm excited about, that I knew was gonna be in there, was this. Crown brushes. So these are Crown Pro for Pros by Pros, Crown Brush 6-piece brush set. And so I'm really excited because, not that I don't have makeup brushes, I have enough, but sometimes it's nice just to have some backup. And what's really nice about this is that it comes in a carrying case. So even if I didn't want to take these brushes, I could take my other brushes with me on the road and they would keep them pretty safe. But I think it's a pretty good deal. I mean, let's see. Oops. There's 6 brushes. It looks like 2 face brushes and then 4 eye brushes. And the brushes are pretty. Let me open this one. Ooh, I like fluffy brushes. So what's nice is there's like a little divot. Do you see that divot on the handle? Where like your finger would rest? Oh, that's nice. Ergonomically, it's really nice. So I like it. I mean, it's really nice and soft. I've never tried these before. I've never actually heard of them, but they seem pretty good. This one's kind of uneven, but whatever. So I'm excited to try those. The last thing in the box that I really didn't get for myself, this was it was an option. There was like a, ooh, I'm gonna throw the box. Blech. I did not get this for myself because I don't drink coffee, but there was 2 options. You could either pick this Alfred French press coffee maker, or it was an Alfred teapot. But I already have a tea kettle and my own tea set up because I love tea, so I figured, oh, I'll get this because, and the teapot was like a blue with like cherry blossoms on it or something, which was just not my style. So I just figured I get this because my boyfriend drinks coffee, even though it's nasty, and maybe he could learn how to use it. And what's funny is I told him, he's like, what the heck am I gonna do with a French press coffee maker? I'm like, fine, I'll give it away. He's like, no, I'll figure it out. I'm like, you're such a dork. So, excuse the sound. It comes in a little protected bubble sleeve. And I think it's just nice. I mean, aesthetically, it's cute. If you haven't noticed, I've really been liking the word aesthetic. Anyway, it says, but first, coffee. Sorry, the glare from the sun is causing it to be hard to see, but it's cute. Again, I don't know how to use it. I'm sure I could learn, but I don't drink coffee, so I'm not going to learn. But if he really doesn't end up wanting it, then I'll give it away. Because, I mean, I don't even, the green doesn't even go with my kitchen color scheme, so. Anyway, I mean, yeah, so that's it. That's all that's in the box, and right. I spent $40 on it because I got like $10 off. I think everyone can get $10 off. I don't think that's a secret. And there's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the things in there that I will definitely keep and use for myself. So even if I give away the other items, I'm still benefiting because I only spent $40. So first impression, I love it. I don't know what I was waiting for. I feel like now I've missed out on a lot of great products over the last couple of years since they've been around, but I will definitely be doing the winter season box. If you like this video and you want to see me do a video unboxing for the winter season, make sure you click the like button. If there's any other subscription boxes you think I should try and you want me to unbox, then make sure you comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I mean, if you haven't already, what the heck are you waiting for? I'm freaking awesome if you haven't noticed already. But when you do subscribe, make sure you turn the bell notification on. That way you don't miss out on any of my videos. And that's it. I had fun unboxing that and I can't wait to use the products. Oh, I probably will do little reviews like on Snapchat and Instagram. So make sure you follow me on those. I will link them down below or I'll put them on this video somewhere. But yeah. I just am so grateful that you guys all watched today and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye everyone.